Tired of being skinny and overlooked? This is your complete guide to bulking up fast and building a powerful aesthetic physique. No more confusion, no more guesswork, just proven steps that deliver results. If you are serious about transforming your body, this video is where your journey begins. Let's get started. Fix your mindset first. Before anything changes on the outside, you have to start with what is going on inside your mind. Bulking up fast is not just about food and workouts. It is about commitment. If you have always seen yourself as the skinny guy, it is time to rewrite that identity. Visualize yourself stronger, more confident, and disciplined. Motivation will get you started, but mindset will keep you going. Understand that building muscle takes time, and there will be days when you feel like giving up. That is normal. But if you remind yourself why you started and stay focused on the long-term goal, you will keep showing up. Tell yourself this is not a temporary change, it is a lifestyle shift. The sooner you accept that effort and patience are your best tools, the sooner you will see real results. Change your mind and your body will follow. Eat more, but eat smart. To bulk up fast, you must eat more than your body burns. But that does not mean stuffing yourself with junk food. Your goal is to build muscle, not just gain fat. Start by calculating your maintenance calories. Then add 300 to 500 calories daily. Choose nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body and support muscle growth. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, eggs. Add complex carbohydrates such as oats, brown rice, potatoes, and whole grains to give you lasting energy. Do not forget healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and avocados. These support hormone function and keep your body running efficiently. Eat frequently, 4 to 6 meals a day, and make each one count. Every bite should serve a purpose. If you struggle with appetite, add calorie-dense snacks like smoothies or trail mix. Remember, smart eating builds strong bodies, not random overeating. Prioritize protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without enough of it, your body simply cannot grow, no matter how hard you train. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. For example, if you weigh 140 pounds, try to eat around 140 grams of protein. Spread it throughout the day. Include protein in every meal. Good sources include chicken breast, eggs, lean beef, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, fish, and legumes. If it is hard to meet your target through food alone, a quality whey protein shake can help fill the gap. But remember, shakes are a supplement, not a replacement. The goal is to stay consistent. When you fuel your body with enough protein, you give your muscles the nutrients they need to repair and grow stronger. Do not skip this step. No protein means no progress. Lift heavy, lift often. Muscle is built through resistance, and that means lifting weights. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, and pull-ups. These movements trigger maximum growth and help you gain size fast. Your goal in the gym should be progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or reps to keep challenging your body. Do not stick with the same routine for months. If it feels too easy, it is not working anymore. Train each major muscle group at least twice a week to maximize growth. Keep rest periods short, focus on proper form, and give every workout your full effort. Lifting heavy does not mean hurting yourself. Always warm up and use correct technique. If you stay consistent and keep pushing your limits, you will build real strength and size faster than you ever thought possible. Track everything. If you are not tracking, you are guessing, and guessing will never get you real results. To bulk up effectively, you need to know exactly how much you are eating, how much you are lifting, and how your body is responding. Start by tracking your calories and macronutrients using apps like MyFitnessPal. This helps ensure you are actually in a calorie surplus and getting enough protein, carbs, and fats. Also, track your workouts. Write down how much weight you lifted, how many reps you did, and how you felt after each session. This allows you to identify patterns, fix weak points, and stay motivated as you see progress over time. Step on the scale weekly and take photos every few weeks to see how your physique changes. Numbers do not lie. Tracking keeps you accountable, reveals what is working, and shows you exactly where to improve. It turns your bulk into a plan, not a guess. Sleep like it's your job. Muscles do not grow in the gym, they grow while you rest. And nothing helps recovery like quality sleep. You should aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. This is when your body repairs torn muscle fibers, balances hormones, and recharges your energy for the next day. Poor sleep slows down recovery, reduces strength, and increases cravings for junk food, everything you do not want during a bulk. To improve sleep, create a routine. Go to bed at the same time every night. Keep your room cool and dark and avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. You can also take short naps during the day if your nights are busy. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a muscle-building tool. Treat it like training. The harder you work in the gym, the more important recovery becomes. Never underestimate the power of a well-rested body. Supplement wisely. Supplements can help, but they are not magic. Think of them as tools to support your diet and training, not replace them. The most effective and science-backed supplements for bulking are simple. First, creatine monohydrate helps increase strength, muscle mass, and workout performance. Take 5 grams daily. Second, whey protein, perfect for hitting your protein goals when you are short on time or appetite. Third, vitamin D, especially if you do not get much sun, as low levels can affect your energy and recovery. Optional additions include omega-3 for joint health or a basic multivitamin. Avoid expensive, overhyped products promising instant results. They are rarely worth it. Stick to proven, affordable options and invest your time and money into real food, good sleep, and hard training. That is what builds real muscle. Supplements are just the final 5%. The basics do 95% of the work. Stay consistent and trust the process. Building muscle is not a sprint, it is a journey. You will not wake up after 1 week looking jacked. But if you stay consistent with your training, nutrition, and recovery, your body will respond. There will be ups and downs. Some days you will feel strong and motivated, and others you will feel tired and stuck. That is normal. What matters most is that you keep going. You track your progress, adjust when needed, and celebrate small wins along the way. Your transformation is not just physical, it is mental too. You are proving to yourself that discipline, patience, and effort create results. The aesthetic physique you want is within reach, but it requires showing up every day, even when it is hard. Trust the process, stay focused, and never give up. The results will come, and when they do, they will be worth every drop of sweat. You now have the blueprint to go from skinny to strong. Follow these steps consistently, and results will follow. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more, and drop a comment saying bulk mode on. Remember, effort, patience, and discipline are your best tools. Stay focused and never stop improving.